Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism, currently ranked 120 on CoinMarketCap, currently trading below $1. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? Is this still possible for Optimism to get to $10 per token? In this video, we'll be looking at the Optimism US dollar price chart. We'll also be looking at Optimism performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then we'll take a look at Optimism market cap. Currently, it's at $194 million. We have seen Optimism market cap at some point in time in this bear market get to as high as $500 million. What will Optimism market cap be if Optimism is going to be trading above $10? Is it still possible for us to see Optimism at some point in time in the future trading above $10? We have seen this altcoin in the last 1 year go from as high as $4.57 to as low as $0.4. Should we start accumulating more Optimism right now in the bear market, or should we be waiting for lower prices? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year. If you go on a weekly time frame, we're seeing some signs of life in some altcoins. Some altcoins are pumping on the weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, altcoins are having a very terrible time. Optimism has been showing some signs of life in the monthly time frame. Optimism is up 16.2% in the last 1 month. But the big problem is that in the last 1 year, Optimism is down 34.3%. But other altcoins are down really bad in this bear market. For example, Sand is down 90%, Engine Coin is down 92%, Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down 72%, Ethereum, the largest altcoin in the market, is down 74%. So guys, is it possible for Optimism at some point in time in the future to get to that magical $10 region? Optimism was launched in May 2022, deep in the crypto bear market. And when it was launched, we saw it trading around $5 on some exchanges. After Optimism was launched, it started dumping down to Goblin Town, losing more than 90% of its value in the process. Optimism went from as high as $4.49 to as low as $0.4. But that was not the end. If you are buying some Optimism, getting ready for when the pump will happen, we saw Optimism in the relief rally that happened in the crypto space from July 2022. Optimism rally up more than 400% in just 22 days. The rally got stopped out around the $2.2 region. Optimism went up more than 426% in that time frame. But guys, Optimism started losing value and it has dumped to as low as $0.63 since when we got to that $2.2. If you're buying some Optimism right now, getting ready for when next is going to pump, remember guys, in the bear market, all coins dump really well to Goblin Town. But we know at some point in time in the future, we are going to see a bull run. We are going to see Optimism pumping to the moon. The $1,000,000 question is, can Optimism get to that $10 region? For that, I used the Fibonacci retracement tool from where Optimism was launched to the bottom that was seen for Optimism. If we are going to trust this Fibonacci retracement tool and Optimism is going to pump to the end of the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, there's a very strong chance we might see Optimism even trading for as high as $17 by the end of the next bull run. From where we're currently trading right now, for Optimism to get to that $17 region, we have to see Optimism go up over 2,000%. Very, very crazy. A $1,000 investment in Optimism right now should return over $20,000 if we see Optimism trading around the $17.91 region. But guys, before we get there, we have to still overcome the bear market, and key levels you should pay attention to for Optimism in this bear market. There's a very strong chance we might see Optimism come back to test the $0.68 region. We had a bounce off that level on the 20th of October 2022, and we saw Optimism rally up to the $1.3 level, going up more than 100% in that time frame. Guys, Optimism is a new token, so it's very, very volatile. We are seeing huge swings to the upside. At the same time, we are seeing some huge swings to the downside. If Optimism doesn't hold the $0.68 level, another level where Optimism might find its bottom might be around the $0.40 level. We have seen Optimism tag that level 2 different times. We got there in June 2022 when Bitcoin got to 17,600, and just before we had that pump that took it to $2.2, Optimism had one final trip to the $0.4 region. So at some point in time, the bear market, if we see Bitcoin dropping to new lows, altcoin market going to gobbling town, I'll not be shocked to see Optimism probably come back to test the $0.4 region. But after that level, if we start pumping to higher prices, some levels where we might face key resistance might be around the $1.9 level. Maybe we might face some resistance at the $2.5 level, but I'll be paying close attention to what Optimism price will be doing when we start getting to the $3.55 level, because if we can get above $3.5, $3.6, guys, it will just be a smooth ride towards the $10 region. Let's take a look at some details about Optimism. In the last 1 year, Optimism has gone from as high as $4.57 to as low as $0.4, with a market cap of $194 million and a fully diluted market cap of $3.5 billion. For us to see Optimism go up 2,000% in price, it will mean the market cap for Optimism will go up, shooting up maybe to around $4 billion, and the fully diluted market cap for Optimism will be around $60 or $70 billion. Is that possible by the end of the next bull run? Only time will tell. But right now, we have more than 234 million Optimism tokens in circulation out of a total supply of 4.2 billion tokens. Currently rank 120 on CoinMarketCap. Over 48,000 people have Optimism on their watch list. Why will you want to get some Optimism and hold through the bear market? Why will you be getting ready for Optimism to get to that $10 region? Is because Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism, but ultimately secured on Ethereum. Where can you get some Optimism if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? You can get some Optimism on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Binance.us, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin, you can get some Optimism right there. If you take a look at Optimism performance against Bitcoin, we had a very nice rally for Optimism against Bitcoin. Optimism went up more than 336% against Bitcoin from the 12th of June 2022 to the 2nd of August 2022. But right now, Optimism is facing some turbulent times in the bear market, because since August 2022, when Optimism rallied up against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, and against the US dollar, Optimism has been dumping to gobbling town. It's down more than 64% against Bitcoin. Can we go any lower? There's always that chance we might come back to test the lows. Even if we come back to test the lows, it will mean Optimism will just be down 76% against Bitcoin, which is very, very possible in the bear market. If you take a look at Optimism's RSI, it's heading towards the oversold region. I'll not be shocked to see it come back to this region and the price maybe set a new low, maybe come back to test this level where we were before we just started having the rally. The bear market is always brutal to altcoins. In the bear market, you have to be planning your move, getting ready for the next bull run, so that when the next bull run come around, you'll be shouting kumbaya because you made all those plans in the bear market. If you take a look at Optimism performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. Optimism looks like it will soon start dumping against Ethereum. We saw Optimism rally up against Ethereum, going up 250% from 15th of July 2022 to the 2nd of August 2022. But since then, Optimism has been dumping to gobbling town. We first saw it lose 61% of its value, and then it had a rally from October 2022. It looks as if that rally ended in November, when Optimism went up 68% against Ethereum. Right now, for Optimism to dump to the lowest we have seen it trade against Ethereum, Optimism will have to lose another 47% of its value, which is very possible in the bear market. Guys, in the bear market, a lot of people are scared of altcoins, so they run towards safety. And for us in crypto, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. But the bad news is that both Bitcoin and Ethereum are down more than 70% in the last 1 year. If you take a look at Optimism market cap, we have seen it get to as high as $522 million. This was in August when Optimism was trading above $2.2. But since then, Optimism's market cap even dropped to as low as $149 million, losing more than 70% of its value in just 78 days. We had a rally in Optimism market cap. The market cap shot up more than 116%, but we face heavy resistance at the $320 million region. Right now, Optimism market cap is at $194 million. There's always that possibility we might see the market cap drop to as low as $150 million. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Optimism right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you believe it's possible we're going to see Optimism trading around $10, $15, maybe even as high as $17 by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.